Hello guys and girls out there, wherever you are. Welcome to another totally random video. And yes, today is finally going to be another Minidisc related video again after such a long time. But it's not really something special, but still it's something that I want to show you. I know that I became some kind of, I don't know how I should say it, maybe the Minidisc guy on YouTube or something like this. And I have a few plans, but I don't know if they are going to work out. But, that's all something different. I don't want to, whatever. So today I want to show you the Sony RM-MC11EL remote control. If the camera would focus. Thank you very much. So why am I showing you this remote control? Well, this is one of those standalone remote controls, one of those remote controls that are separately available. And the reason why Sony decided to do that is probably very simple. They wanted to reduce their costs. And that's why they released those remote controls separately. Because when you have Minidisc recorders or Minidisc Walkmans, it's kind of stupid to make a new remote control each time for each Minidisc recorder. Like for example, we have the Sony R55, and he has the ability to plug in a remote control, and it also comes with the original remote control. So it also says right here, Sony RM-MC11EL. So this is the remote control for this portable. So it's kind of stupid to do that. So Sony thought, okay, we're giving those people the ability to plug in a remote control, but we're selling the remote controls separately because not everybody likes those remote controls, not everybody is using them, and also not everybody needs them. So it would be stupid to pay for something that you don't use and you don't need. And it's also stupid, like I already said, to make a new remote control for each device. So they decided, okay, we're going to make standalone remote controls that are separately available. And whoever wants to use a remote control can purchase the remote control. So I want to show you how this remote control works with a device that supports this remote control 100%. I mean, yes, they say on Discogs that the R55 supports this remote control, but as far as I remember, there are still a few functions that aren't really working. So I want to show you this remote control on the Sony MZ-NH600, which is probably the cheapest portable high-MD recorder that you can get. And as you can tell, he has a plug-in for this remote control. So I'm going to put in a nice Minidisc with some nice music. That you can't even see. Well, there you can see a little bit. But yeah, you can see it on the remote control later on. So again, you also have the ability to plug in headphones into the remote control itself. So let's plug in this remote control and see how it works. So you can see that we automatically have the time right there. So let's just start playing it. And as you can see, it lights up. Thumbs up if you have seen this movie. Really awesome, really over the top. So yeah, we have the display button, so we can change the display so that it shows us the title or the name of the disc itself. If the light goes out, the name is constantly scrolling right there. I mean, if we have, for example, if we have this one, it shows us how many tracks we have. But if we press a second time, it shows us what track we are listening to right now. So it shows us the name of the disc and then the name of the track. And if we push again, we can see that we are at normal. This has something to do with the sound mode, which I'm going to explain later. We're listening to a Minidisc which has been recorded in SP. And then it starts again from the beginning. Come on, camera, you have been working so good. Yeah. So normal and SP. So it gives us quite a lot of infos. Then we have the play mode button. So we can replay this one track. We can shuffle. Then we have RTP and enter. Don't even know what this. Oh yeah. So we can replay the entire disc. Then we have the sound button. So here now it says sound 2. And if you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it also is changing on the disc player itself. So with this disc player I have the ability to create different sounds, or not create different sounds, but to change the equalizer and all that kind of stuff. So when I push the sound button, it changes between the standard and one or the first customized equalizer setup. Then of course we have the pause button. We have hold right here, of course. Then we have forward and backward. If we hold it, it's going fast forward, fast backward, all this kind of stuff. And if we push once, we skip through tracks. Stop button is right here. Now I don't know what I should think about this remote control when it comes to the volume control, because it's a little bit different compared to the other remote control. So like I said, with the R55 you have two buttons right here for the volume control, which is really nice. If you're jogging, you just push these buttons for volume up, volume down. So I find that really comfortable. But with this one, the volume control, well, we don't have buttons. On this one, as you can tell, we have a little arrow right here telling us to pull it out. So you have to pull it out, and now we can change the volume. And if we push it back in, we skip through tracks. So I don't know if I really like this. I think I like the buttons better, but you know, that's just the way it is. So yeah, there you have it. This is the Sony remote control MC11EL. And as you can tell, it works perfectly fine, even with high-MD devices. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, whatever you like. I know it's kind of crazy to make pretty much a 10-minute video about one remote control, but you know, that's the way how I am. You probably know that by now. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment, whatever you like, and I'll see you in the next totally random video. Bye.